how should we prep for Q4? What are the main things you were doing? So the main things that I'm doing to prepare for Q4 are like kind of diversify across different suppliers. That's the main thing, because that's a big problem I actually had previously last year. And I'm really focusing on the operational side of things. So even right now, I'm like inquiring about agency staff, getting up multiple different agencies for the warehouse. So that side's all sorted with. And then also on the side of the actual suppliers, I have multiple different suppliers for different products. No, for the same product, sorry. So like, let's say I have one particular pair of headphones. I'm selling this. I'll find 3 different suppliers that sell the exact same product. Or even try and go up the chain. But let's say I have 3 different agents selling the exact same product or very, very similar. I will try and diversify across multiple different people, multiple different suppliers, just in case one fucks up, in case one makes a mistake, right? Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.